Greetings, fellow visionaries and seekers of cutting-edge opportunities. Today, we delve into the transformative world of innovation crowdfunding and its profound impact on the landscape of startups. As we embark on this thrilling journey, prepare to witness the seismic shifts in the realm of investing and finance, where the dreams of aspiring entrepreneurs take flight and the horizons of investors expand like never before. Part 1. The evolution of finance. Innovation crowdfunding has shattered the conventional barriers that once limited investors to a select few projects or relied heavily on traditional financial institutions. As this new era unfolds, we find ourselves liberated from the chains of conventional thinking, embracing a democratic approach to funding ventures that drive change. The dawn of financial democracy. In the past, access to capital was predominantly controlled by a privileged few, leaving countless brilliant ideas trapped in obscurity. However, as innovation crowdfunding platforms emerged, a paradigm shift occurred. Now, passionate innovators, regardless of their background, can reach out to a global community of like-minded supporters. Diversity in innovation. An interesting aspect of innovation crowdfunding is the diverse array of projects it supports. From eco-conscious fashion lines to life-saving medical innovations, every investor can find a venture that resonates with their values. The power of choice in driving change is now firmly in the hands of the masses. Part 2. Building the innovation crowdfunding ecosystem. In the vibrant world of innovation crowdfunding, we witness the rise of ingenious platforms that facilitate this financial revolution. Utilizing cutting-edge technologies such as blockchain and AI, these platforms connect enterprising visionaries with a sea of potential investors, making the funding process seamless and secure. Seeding the future. Take, for instance, the tale of Mary, a determined innovator with a groundbreaking idea for a sustainable agriculture solution. Armed with little more than her dreams, she approached an innovation crowdfunding platform and presented her project to a global audience. The result? A bountiful harvest of support that not only nurtured her vision, but transformed her into a symbol of hope for aspiring entrepreneurs worldwide. Empowering startups, igniting innovations. The impact of innovation crowdfunding on startups is nothing short of extraordinary. Previously confined to traditional funding routes with high barriers to entry, startups can now shine on a stage of infinite possibilities. With newfound accessibility, they can focus on innovation and disruption rather than spending excessive time searching for investors. Part 3. The catalyst for entrepreneurial culture. Innovation crowdfunding has unleashed a wave of entrepreneurial culture, pushing boundaries and promoting a spirit of fearless exploration. In this thriving environment, risk-taking is rewarded and audacious dreams become stepping stones to greatness. From vision to reality, the story of Alex, a young dreamer passionate about space exploration, epitomizes the transformative nature of innovation crowdfunding. He launched a daring project to build the world's first privately funded space telescope, allowing aspiring astronomers to observe distant galaxies like never before. Thanks to the support of a global community of backers, his vision became a reality, inspiring a new generation to reach for the stars. Cultivating a culture of collaboration. Innovation crowdfunding transcends mere financial transactions. It fosters genuine connections between creators and backers. Investors become more than just funders. They become advocates, mentors, and supporters of the ventures they believe in. This collaborative culture nourishes not only startups, but also the broader spirit of innovation. Part 4. Navigating the future of innovation crowdfunding. As we explore this bold new frontier, it's essential to equip ourselves with the knowledge and strategies to navigate it wisely. Here are some actionable insights for future investors and entrepreneurs. 1. Knowledge is power. For investors, understanding the industries they wish to invest in is crucial. Conduct thorough research into the market trends, competitive landscape, and potential risks before committing funds. 2. Diversify your portfolio. As the saying goes, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification helps mitigate risk, ensuring that even if one venture faces challenges, others may still thrive. 3. Engage with the community. Startups seeking funding should actively engage with their supporters and backers, cultivate transparency, communicate progress, and build a strong bond with those who believe in your vision. 4. Embrace innovation with a long-term vision. Innovation takes time to mature. Investors and entrepreneurs alike should approach this journey with patience and perseverance, embracing innovation for the long haul. As we bid adieu to this enthralling voyage into the world of innovation crowdfunding, let us embrace the winds of change with open arms. The future of finance and startups lies in the hands of a global community of dreamers and risk-takers, united by the desire to shape a brighter, more innovative world. Thank you for joining us on this expedition into the boundless realm of innovation crowdfunding. Remember to subscribe to our channel to stay tuned for more thought-provoking content on the forefront of finance and technology. Together, let's inspire the next generation of innovators as we venture into the unknown, driven by passion, hope, and a shared vision for a future full of possibilities.